Hello, this is Laura. Today I introduce you to a vehicle with excellent load carrying capacity. The vehicle adopts all-wheel drive configuration, equipped with 210 horsepower engine, manual 6-speed transmission, specialized in cross-country road hauling people and goods. The dimensions of the vehicle are 7,586 by 2,320 by 2,740 millimeters. The cargo box is equipped with football seats, matching with off-road tires, 12.5 R20 off-road tires. Besides, the cab is also a highlight. The cab can be customized to be converted into half-row, double-row, and high roof. Many functions inside the cab. Fuel tank capacity is 210 liters. Fuel consumption of 26.5 liters per 100 kilometers. That's all for today's introduction. If you are interested in this one, you can contact us. See you next time. Bye-bye.